Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The prayers for clear skies turned out successful for the 5th staging of the Credit Unions of Jamaica Gospel concert last night at the Sugarman's Beach in Hellshire, Portmore. Shoes were kicked off and hands raised for waves, words and worship with gospel artists including Jermaine Edwards, DJ Nicholas, Chevelle Franklin and Grammy Award-winning gospel sensation Ty Tribbett. Here are the highlights.
Yeah, me sit down in a church, I wonder what we do. I wonder if me should I get up and dance. Me want get a light up, me kinda how when I want somebody would have stopped me from a distance. I would have.
Please don't get me out when we're outside. Swerve. My style might be different, but I'm on your side.
You treat people the same, love God in a share. Hold up your hand and
say everything that. Yeah, our constant like a white wall. Let them let the darkness come up on the bright wall. Cause this year we have a trample the beast washer.
The vast difference between the pastoral and the music like today is a hit and go. You come, you hit, you go. But at least with the church you get the opportunity to see the people grow with you, you know. But it's like I'm getting the best of both worlds. The music takes you backstage where we're at right now, and the pastoral takes you on stage before the people. I just shot a music video for my song Soar and a new song called Love of My Life. So I'm trying to balance both now, since I feel as if I have a footing now where the pastoral is concerned. Still have a lot of work to do, but I believe I'm at a comfortable place now where I can balance both. Because what the music does, it pulls the young people.
I've worked with Pastor Donnie McClurkin on my latest single, I'm a Father, which is from my upcoming album that will be out on the 25th of next month, which is, well, wow, this month. Israel Horton on the project, a song we did together called Good Shepherd. Able to have somebody at that caliber as a Donnie McClurkin is just God.
I will bless the Lord, oh my soul.
It was my first time without my crew here. I missed them, but the choir that was here filled in great. I loved it. With Jamaica, I feel a connection. I don't know why. Maybe I need to check my roots or something like that, but I have a heart for Jamaica, so that's why I'm here tonight. And I just wanted to say a prayer to cover them, so that long after I'm gone, the prayers will still be, you know what I mean, availing much. The Spirit of the Lord was there, so I love Jamaica. I'm thinking about maybe, you know, doing an album in Jamaica maybe.
Part proceeds from the Gospelash event will assist the Brayton primary and junior high schools. As we continue our Jamaica 55 celebrations, Festival Fashion takes center stage tonight. The annual Festival Fashion Show will put on display the best of Jamaican designs at the National Arena. So bring the entire family. The event is free to the public, and remember to wear the vibes. It's Jamaica 55. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching.